Hello kids, let's learn some colors. Sky blue color, black color, blue color, light pink color, brown color, yellow color, green color, orange color, pink color, green color, violet color, and red color. Okay, let's draw alphabets. Orange color, A. A for apple. Blue color, B. B for ball. Black color, C. C for cat. Brown color, D. D for dog. Light pink color, E. E for egg. Yellow color, F. F for fish. Sky blue color, G. G for goat. Green color, H. H for hat. Orange color, I. I for ink. Light green color, J. J for jar. Pink color, K. K for kite. Violet color, L. L for lion. Orange color, M. M for mango. Green color, N. N for nest. Red color, O. O for orange. Pink color, P. P for parrot. Light pink color, Q. Q for squirrel. Yellow color, R. R for rose. Blue color, S. S for sunflower. Brown color, T. T for table. U. U for umbrella. V. V for van. Sky blue color, W. W for watermelon. X. X for X-ray. Brown color, Y. Y for yellow. Violet color, Z. Z for zebra. Let's learn alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, bye.